Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is May 18th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by $7.70 at 75 cents at the moment. Right now, futures are sitting at around $23.50 per contract. All in all, though, we are really choppy, and we are selling lower this morning. Yesterday, we had a bloodbath market out here where the markets really were pounded lower. You had the S&P down about 43 points. You had the NASDAQ down 158 points yesterday. The Dow Jones was down 370 points. So all in all, it was a really nasty and ugly sell-off. But we'll see what today brings. Anytime we get sell-offs like this or we get volatility like this, we get lots of trading action, and that's what we're looking at today. So again, let's take a look at the stocks in the news. That's where we're going to try to focus and make our money. First stock we're going to take a look at today is going to be Alibaba. BABA is the ticker symbol here. This is, I believe, the world's largest Chinese ADR. Right now, the stock is trading at 117.40. It closed yesterday at 120.72. Now, Alibaba was already overbought yesterday. So today, coming down to that 117 level, it just shows you that the stock is pulling back from an overbought condition. A level I like for the stock today, if it gets there, would be right around 110. I don't know if it's going to get down there. That's a long way off. Maybe it doesn't, probably doesn't get down there. But if it does, that would be a level I definitely like today in the stock. Until then, we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see how it plays out. But again, Alibaba will be in play this morning. Next up, we want to take a look at Cisco Systems. CSCO, yes, blast from the past. Cisco, one of the world's largest networking companies, right now trading at $31.31, closed at $33.82. I'm going to have gap levels ready right in the intraday stock chat room. Hopefully we get to our level and we can play this. It's pretty close by. So again, if you want to play Cisco with us, I have gap levels already ready to go in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock. And again, once the opening bell rings, we'll be looking to trade Cisco today. But Cisco trading lower after reporting earnings last night after the closing bell. Let's take a look at L Brands. LB is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading a little bit higher, closed at $48.40. It is now trading at $51.50. So good little move here. Believe it or not, this might have some room to run due to a short squeeze. So give it the upside bias to around $53.50. If you own it, try to run it up. If you don't own it, leave it alone. We'll wait for pattern. We'll look at it in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at Ralph Lauren. Ticker symbol is RL. Stock right now is trading at $75.06, closed at $72.75. So this is having a decent reaction to the earnings report. Again, when I look at this name, it really needs to close above $77 on a daily chart basis to get back into a range. Right now, it's still a little bit on the weaker side, but nice pop nonetheless for Ralph Lauren. We'll look at this one when the opening bells. Here's a big one right here, Walmart. Walmart right now is trading at $76.40, closed at $75.12. This company reported earnings. The big retail giant right now is holding up very well on the charts and a good reaction. Now, if Walmart gets to around 80 bucks, that's where I think you have really good resistance on the chart. So keep that on the radar. We'll see if it gets there. I don't think it gets there today by any stretch. It's usually not that big of a mover, but again, $80 or a Pierce of 80 would be very big resistance and potentially a fade level for Walmart today. Let's take a look at Children's Place. PLCE is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 124. Briefly got above 126. This is a tremendous move. This stock closed at $111.60. So Children's Place just continues to rally every time they report earnings. Now, this company is a light volume name, and what I mean by that is it rarely trades 1 million shares a day. So again, anytime you get a stock that rarely trades 1 million shares and it trades 1 million or more, it's going to get big moves. In Children's Place, which is a little on the thinner side, having that type of move. In my opinion, though, the stock is overbought. If you own it here, trail the stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, I would leave it alone. Let's take a look at Pandora. Pandora, there's a rumor out there that it's going to be bought up by XM Satellite Radio, or Sirius Satellite Radio, I should say. The stock right now is trading at $9.57, closed at $8.93, so good little uptick there. I don't know if we can make more out of it than that at the moment. Let's take a look at SNPS, which is Synopsys. Stock right now is trading at 74.50, closed at 73.39. So good little pop there. Again, give it the upside bias to around $76.25, maybe $76.50. This is a pretty light volume equity as well. But either way you look at it, it has some upside potential here. But again, trail your stop loss if you own it. If you don't own it, I would leave this one alone. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold really had a good day yesterday, soaring and roaring on all of the geopolitical fears that are out here. Right now, gold is trading down by 40 cents to $1,258.30 an ounce. Crude oil is getting hit today. Crude oil is down about 60 cents at the moment. So crude taking it on the chin today, trading at $48.82 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, what you're going to see here is that this is trading at 10.08, closed at 10.19 yesterday, reflecting the downtick in spot crude. So again, that's where we sit, that's where we stand. We'll see how this all plays out today. But again, we're going to have a lot of action. Again, futures are trading lower by 7.5 points at the moment. So it should be a pretty interesting trading day. If you want, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a great month, great week, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of May. Volatility is back, action is back. We're getting lots of trade action out here, and again, that's the way it probably is going to be for the foreseeable future. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.